Lesson 3, Evedex Interface Guide. In this lesson, let's cover Evedex interface and key tabs. Evedex provides an intuitive and functional interface for users of all levels. In this guide, we will walk you through the key sections and tabs of the interface, explaining how to use them. This guide will help you to easily navigate the platform, safely execute transactions, and effectively utilize all of the available tools. The first one, dashboard or the main page. Upon logging into your account, you will land in the trading terminal where the main account data and market trends are displayed. What you will see is a summary of your balance, real-time market charts, a brief overview of active orders and recent transactions. Second, navigation menu. Trade tab allows you to trade cryptocurrencies in real time. Here you can choose trading pairs, place buy-sell orders, and monitor market movements. This is the main tool for those who want to exchange cryptocurrencies. We will dive deeper into the functionality during the next lesson. P2P tab enables you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users without intermediaries. You can buy and sell crypto via personal transactions, setting your own terms and prices. Copy trading tab allows you to automatically copy successful traders' trades, which is ideal for beginners or those who don't have time for active trading. The Affiliates tab. Affiliate tabs gives you the opportunity to earn by referring new users to the platform. By joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions from your referrals trading activities. Orders tab displays all of your active, completed, and cancelled orders. This is where you can view information about your current buy or sell orders and place new orders to exchange cryptocurrencies. Search box allows you to select trading pairs on Evedex. All available pairs like Bitcoin to USDT, Ethereum, all are listed. You can filter pairs by popularity, volume, or alphabetically. Assets dropdown displays information about all your cryptocurrency wallets, your balances, and the value of your assets. This section allows you to track the amount of cryptocurrency in your account and manage your funds. Inside this dropdown, you will find total balance. This will show the total balance of your cryptocurrency assets on the platform, including funds available for trading and storage. Wallet list, a list of your wallets. Smart account, a wallet created automatically when you register on Evedex via social login, like Google. This wallet uses account abstraction technology, allowing users to manage funds without private keys. The Smart account offers high security and flexibility, enabling account recovery and access control features. Trading balance, the amount of funds specifically designed for trading. It helps to separate assets used from trading from other funds, such as investments, ensuring better organization, enhanced security, and minimized risk. Deposit, withdraw, and transfer buttons to manage funds between the wallets. Overview, a summary of the current account status, including balance, active orders, and the overall market situation. Positions, shows your open trading positions, displaying the asset quantity, value, and current profit or loss for each position. In trade history, you will get displayed a history of all completed trading operations, including details about trades, volumes, buy-sell prices, and fees. Transaction history lists all transactions by date. You can filter transactions by type to find the specific one. Third one, profile. This section allows you to copy your wallet address, secure your account, contact support, and disconnect your wallet from the exchange. Settings tab. This is where you can adjust the exchange interface, change language, currency, and even the theme. Support button. Clicking this takes you to the support chat, where an operator will respond to help with any issues related to the platform within a few minutes. Disconnect. By clicking this, you disconnect your wallet from the exchange. It is essential to do this after finishing your session on Evedex. In the next lesson, we will take an in-depth look at how the trading terminal works so that you can make your first trade without making any